Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Sahira, and in this video I'm making delicious Morning Glory Muffin. This is a whole wheat muffin packed with fruits and vegetables. You're gonna need some carrots, raisins, pineapples. I'm using canned pineapples here, an apple, and some shredded coconut. If you want the full recipe, I'll leave a link in the description box. Let's get into these muffins. So now I'm just combining my dry ingredients. So I have my wheat flour, and I'm adding both of my sugars, along with my baking soda, my cinnamon, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. And then I'm just gonna whisk it and combine all the ingredients. So now I'm just dicing up my apple. So once I peel it and core it, I'm just gonna slice it into strips. You don't want slices, you want more of like just a strip. And then you can just dice it. It's easier to dice it that way. So now I'm combining my wet ingredients. I'm combining my eggs. I'm adding my oil and some vanilla. And then I'm going to give that a good whisk. You want to make sure that's thoroughly combined. So now I'm just adding the fruit and vegetables all together. So that's my apples. I added my pineapples, my raisins, my carrots, and the coconut. So I have some shredded coconut. So you can use crushed pineapples. Just make sure you drain the juice out the pineapple. If you're using a fresh pineapple, just cut it up, dice it, and you still want to drain it. So now I'm just combining all the produce with my hand just to break it up and make sure everything is evenly distributed. You can use a spatula, but I feel like my hand gets everything nice and broken up and clumped up like the raisins or the pineapples. So a nice even distribution. So now I'm adding my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. And I'm just gonna fold that together, mix that in. You don't want to over mix it. And it's not going to be a loose batter, but you want to make sure that you combine those ingredients, especially at the bottom. And then I'm just going to go in with my glove and just really make sure it's nice and combined. So now I add all of my produce. I guess that's the best way to describe it, right? And I'm just folding everything in so it's evenly distributed. Once again, I'm using my hand to fold in the ingredients. You can use a spatula, but I feel like this way is better for me. This way is easier. And this is actually one of my best selling muffins because I guess it's so healthy with all the fruits and vegetables and it's whole wheat. So I love touting, I have a whole wheat muffin, but it's not your average whole wheat muffin. So this is really good. This recipe will be on my website, so be sure to click the link in the description. So now I'm using my jumbo muffin pan and lining it with baking cups. As you know, I like large muffins, so this will give me 6 large muffins. And I'm just using my ice cream scoop, and I'm gonna fill it pretty generously. Once I've finished scooping all of the batter into my baking cups, I'm going to top each muffin with some shredded coconut. If you don't like the coconut, just omit it from the recipe. I know some people don't like coconut, so you can just easily omit the coconut from the recipe. But it adds a little more sweetness to the muffin. So you want to bake these in a 375-degree oven for about 28 to 30 minutes until a toothpick or skewer inserted in comes out clean. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make easy Morning Glory muffins. Healthy, delicious muffins. If you have any questions about this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when I upload another delicious recipe. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.